Forbes Rentals started in 1926, a family-run business, now a national company. Forbes can offer customers our complete care rental solution. And what that solution does offer to a customer is full installation, complete breakdown cover, and it offers full service backup, but the best thing is no repair bills or call-out charges whatsoever.
When we're dealing with the brands that we do, I think that's quite important for our customers as well, because we're renting very prestigious names out there. So with Sony and with Samsung, Miele, Bosch, Maytag, they're names that either the domestic sort of side will know and trust, or the guys who are in the commercial side, they're brand names that they know and trust.
We provide a first-class service response, so if our customers or clients contact us before 10 a.m. in the morning, we guarantee for them the same day on site, and if they contact us after 10, we'll still endeavour to provide a same-day service response, which is unrivaled within the industry.
Once we've completed an installation, our installation team will then walk the customer through and do a full comprehensive training on the machine.
Excellent, thank you.
Treating the customer well all the way through the journey, so that it starts positive, it continues positive, because when the stuff's installed and running and everything else, it needs to be a good relationship right the way through the process.